How can managed solutions help agencies transform their networks and improve security?
So managed services is a partnership today between a service provider and customers like departments and agencies. CenturyLink as a service provider provides the technology and expertise behind our services, and customers today really want to have a level of accountability and control over those managed services, which we work with our customers very closely on.
And I will also add that the CenturyLink government business has built its business around providing managed services, primarily in network. But as we evolve our business and the customer's requirements evolve into managed services around hosting, managed services around security, managed services around network, that we'll be well prepared to be able to provide all of those services, because it is really all coming together. The customer, the government, is also asking us to provide a full life cycle management to those services and an SLA that's associated with those life cycle managed services as well.
What about timely innovation and the ability to future-proof technology investments?
So I think I would use the analogy that the mobile phone app, and as you know, when you've got your mobile phone app, that you're constantly getting messages to upgrade that application, and it's pretty simple for any user to go ahead and upgrade their mobile phone applications. So if you look at what the customers are asking from us, is that they want to be able to provide an upgrade to that service. They don't want it to be a stagnant service. It doesn't want to be a custom service. As a provider, we don't want it to be stagnant either. We want the latest technology to be provided, because we don't want to be managing back revs or having a custom one-off type of solution. So again, I think it's all about the ease of the mobile phone app and being able to upgrade your applications on your phone, and the analogy for the service providers need to be something similar to that.
And I would add to that within our experience and exposure to many federal departments and agencies across the special program space, across the federal civilian marketplace, and within the Department of Defense, we have ongoing customer relationships between these departments and agencies, where we actually can understand where our customers want to go in the future, where they're trending towards innovation within the security market, where they need to be with the cloud market, with the data center market, where their networks are going to be required. Do they need to move to 100 gig network infrastructure? And we actually have these conversations all the time, every day. And our channel and our government channel within CenturyLink is taking that information and making sure that our products and services that are being managed for these customers are taken to the next level, and that we're there for our customers when they actually want to go forward and move on to the next generation type managed security services, managed network services, or managed cloud services.
What is the secret to making the network a strategic asset to a government agency?
The network component of what we do for departments and agencies is the foundational and most critical element of everything that CenturyLink provides. Without the network, the ability to transport Department of Defense traffic, federal civilian department and agency traffic, intelligence agencies traffic, traffic for 33,000 enterprise and business customers, financial stock market trade that's going on, with different investments that are going across that network in a very timely fashion. So nanoseconds matter, and it's very, very important that this network element is up 100% of the time, all the time. It's the services that are layered on top of it that give extra value-added benefit, but it's really the network as a foundational core element, and it's going from services that used to be T1 and DSL level, now all the way up to 100 gig speeds and beyond that we're actually providing for our customer base. But it is absolutely essential. I don't think there's really a secret to this, but the network is the core foundation element of what we provide today.
And I would add, about a year ago, I remember our CEO, Glenn Post, made the statement that the network is the cloud, and I was thinking at the time that that's a pretty good stretch, but when you think about it, it really is that if your applications are being managed in the cloud and the hosting is working but the network is not, then you really don't have a cloud. So again, the network is a strategic component to the cloud.
Yeah, and I would also add that the network is mission critical. So things that are going on across our networks provide missions to certain government agencies to get their work done, whether it's abroad in OCONUS locations or CONUS locations. The other element to the network side is making sure that that network that is operating and transporting this traffic is protected. So the security that is around the network elements is vitally critical. And it also goes down to the data center locations and how all this is being connected together.